Welcome to the tutorial for the Sound Alert app. In this video, we'll walk you through how it works and explore its features. After opening the app, select your app language and press Continue. You'll need to grant Sound Alert permission to detect which app is playing sound and automatically reduce the volume. To do this, tap on Open Settings. Turn it on and press Allow to confirm. This is your dashboard. At the top, you'll find the header bar. From here, you can change the language, switch between light and dark mode using this icon. The Pro badge is visible only for Pro users. At the bottom, there are 3 tabs. Let's start with the Home tab. This shows a summary of your weekly usage. Here, you can see the current state of your device volume. You'll notice an info icon next to each function. Tap it to view more details. Scroll down to explore features like how Sound Alert prevents different situations, testing and preview, and your protection summary for today. Now, let's walk through the Settings section. You can access it either from here or by tapping here. This is your alert setting. Choose the volume level where you want to be alerted. Turn this on to automatically lower your volume when it reaches your set limit. Now, choose the level your volume will drop to. You can turn your protection on or off from here. Once enabled, the app runs in the background as a service. Scroll down to find predefined profiles that adjust volume settings based on different environments or situations. You can also set your custom alert setting. Select your device type from here. Then choose which apps to monitor. You will find many commonly used apps organized by category. Finally, the Smart Features tab. Here you can explore Pro features and view their pricing. Let's test the app in real world. As you can see, the app giving notification as the volume is more than 80%. I can keep it as current volume by clicking here. Otherwise, as you can see, it automatically reduces the volume to my set level. Thanks for watching the video. Download the app now.